2026, the online side hustle landscape in the USA has shifted toward efficiency through AI and authenticity-driven content. While traditional freelancing remains a staple, the best hustles now focus on high-leverage tools that allow you to do more in less time. Here are the top-rated online side hustles for 2026, categorized by our goals. 1. High efficiency, AI-powered. These roles use AI to complete tasks that used to take hours in just minutes. AI content specialist. Instead of just writing, you use tools like Claude or ChatGPT to draft blogs, social posts, and newsletters, then focus on human-level editing and strategy. AI agent developer. Small businesses are currently desperate for agents, simple AI workflows that handle their customer FAQs or appointment bookings. Video repurposing. Use AI tools to take a creator's long YouTube video and automatically snip it into 10 viral-style TikToks or Reels. 2. High-growth content and social. Content creation remains one of the most profitable paths, but the format has changed. TikTok Shop Affiliate. This is a major gold rush in 2026. You don't need a huge following, you just need to create shoppable videos for products you like. UGC, user-generated content. Brands are moving away from polished ads. They will pay you $100-$500 per video to simply record an honest review of their product on your phone. Niche newsletter curator. With social media algorithms becoming more unpredictable, curated email newsletters on specific topics, e.g., AI for real estate, are highly valuable to advertisers. 3. The boring but stable, skill-based. If you prefer a steady hourly rate over the viral potential of content, these are hiring heavily in 2026. Side hustle, AVG. Hourly rate, top platform, specialized tutor, $25 to $50. Wisant, Tutor Me, virtual assistant, $20 to $35. Belay, Upwork, curriculum writer, $30 to $45. Lex Jobs, technical support, $22 to $30. Link to remote.co. Pro tips for 2026. Master one tool. Don't try to be a digital marketer. Be the person who is the best at one specific tool, like Canva for branding or 11 Labs for voiceovers. The boring advantage. Some of the best cash flow comes from boring admin tasks like inbox cleanup or calendar management. Businesses value reliability over flashiness. Micro niche. Don't just teach English. Teach English for medical professionals or sales pitching for tech founders. Would you like me to help you draft a profile for one of these platforms or find a specific training resource?